In the heart of every American household, a beloved tradition unfolds each year as November draws to a close, the Thanksgiving feast. This yearly cuisine festival is a family and friend gathering. It exhibits the broad breadth of American cuisine. The traditional American Thanksgiving meal is a symphony of flavors that transcends time. It's based in history and regional uniqueness. A table filled with the warmth of a roasted turkey. Its golden skin whispers its promise of juiciness beneath its crisp exterior. The dish features a variety of side dishes, including creamy mashed potatoes and cranberry relish. It showcases culinary creativity and tradition's tartness. It's a feast that pays homage to the earliest settlers, a journey that mirrors the nation's historical tapestry. This culinary experience is a dynamic celebration of innovation and global inspirations. It is not a historical reflection. Thanksgiving table variants around the country offer various flavors and variations. Examples include Southern cornbread dressing and New England seafood. The Thanksgiving meal is a culinary masterpiece that transcends generations, showcasing history, diversity, and familial warmth on a single set table. It's a timeless celebration where each dish whispers the stories of the past, creating a feast that nourishes not only the body, but also the soul. Thanksgiving dinner is an important aspect of American culinary customs, spanning history, variety, and familial ties. It transcends mere nutrition. The classic roasted turkey, a symbol of plenty and communal gathering, is at the core of this annual gourmet festival. The Thanksgiving table is a culinary hotspot with a wide variety of side dishes catering to different areas and families. The creamy texture of the mashed potatoes complements the turkey. It is a cozy and home-cooked companion that reflects the essence of warmth. The tart and colorful cranberry relish pays homage to the Pilgrims' early Native American introduction of this fruit. Yet, the beauty of the traditional American Thanksgiving meal lies in its adaptability. It is a reflection of the diverse influences that have shaped the nation. In the South, cornbread dressing takes center stage, its savory aroma filling kitchens and hearts alike. New England is introducing a coastal twist with fresh seafood additions. It pays tribute to the region's abundant harvests. This culinary journey concludes with a sweet pumpkin pie, topped with whipped cream. Its velvety texture and spiced undertones echo the flavors of autumn, inviting a moment of reflection and gratitude. Families gather at the table, enjoying a symphony of flavors and aromas that evoke sense of tradition. Beyond the ingredients and recipes, the Thanksgiving meal is a living testament to the nation's history. The culinary dialogue between the Old World and New, initiated by early settlers. It combines European recipes with the available ingredients in the Americas. The result is a mosaic of flavors, a synthesis of culinary heritage that has evolved over centuries. The traditional American Thanksgiving meal is a cultural narrative engraved onto the dinner plate, not a traditional banquet of dishes. It serves as a reminder of our shared history and the diverse influences shaping the American experience. This culinary tradition transcends the table, weaving a story of cultural fusion and evolution with each savory bite, symbolizing the dynamic nature of American cuisine. November unites families for a timeless feast, symbolizing gratitude and unity. An indulgent, sense-fulfilling tradition. It embodies warmth and togetherness, creating lasting memories around tables, filled with gratitude and the joy of shared abundance. The traditional American Thanksgiving meal concludes with a heartfelt goodbye. The annual tradition honors history, variety, and familial relationships through a diverse array of flavors. The Thanksgiving table is a holy area where we weave our traditions into our lives. It's surrounded by shared tales and dishes, weaving a tapestry of memories. We bid farewell to this yearly event. We know that its spirit will live on and become a treasured chapter in our journey. The American ritual of cooking turkey and expressing thanks will endure until next year. It ensures the continuation of this heartfelt tradition that binds us in gratitude and shared moments. Immerse yourself in the spirit of tradition. Relish the flavors of family, history, and gratitude. Seize the magic, craft your own unforgettable Thanksgiving moments. Join us at the table, where memories are born and traditions breathe. Cheers to a feast that transcends food. Secure your seat now and be a part of a celebration that resonates with the richness of shared moments and the warmth of cherished traditions.